So I bought two different ones and we're gonna try them out. So this one is the small one. It's actually very bright. And hold on a minute. You can zoom in, or you can go like this. Now let's try the other one. This one is the bigger set. I don't know if here somewhere. Oh, right here. So it has a thing. It shows you how much charge you have. This is bright. This is really bright. This is actually really bright. And you can zoom in. And it goes really far. And this one also has different levels. So you can do like this. And then there's SOS mode. Let me know what you think.